Hello, this is Queen of Hearts Sharnell, and what item you are viewing is the B Gentle Giraffe. It makes soothing sounds, white noise. It's a very sleepy giraffe, and he has a Velcro strap so that you can hang it from the crib. So he's a gentle giraffe on the go. He has 4 different white sounds that he can make. And let's see. And there's a volume control right here. And right there is a timer. So looks like it goes 23 minutes or 45 minutes. I know that it goes a very long time. Very long. So, let's see the sound. So you can turn it down so it's quiet, or turn it up. And that is the white sound. That is, well, no, what did I turned it off maybe. Okay. See, it makes the sound of the mother's heartbeat. This is the second one. It sounds like ocean waves. It's just a soothing white noise. That one to me sounds a little bit like a jungle, but not scary. And here's an African sound, because he is a giraffe after all. You can hear. Alright, so thank you for taking a look at the B Gentle Giraffe. It's a baby Lovey. I consider it a Lovey because it goes in the crib with the baby. And it's just gentle, soothing sounds to help baby sleep. All right, thank you very much.